So if you are a press-on nail girly and you always need help, like how to do my press-ons, what do? I need some tips, then baby, this is the place to be.
Ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are going to be doing a much needed nail tutorial, guys. It is time for me to do my nails, and you guys know that I said that I was going to be dropping a nail tutorial every week to show you guys not only my new sets for the week, but also just to update you guys on how to do your press-on nails, okay? So today will be our weekly press-on nail tutorial. If you enjoy vlogs like this, or you're a press-on girly like me, make sure you guys go use that subscribe button. Shout out to TEMU. So we are going to put on these amazing press-on nails from TEMU. Check those out. Make sure you guys use that code that I'll leave up on the screen for you to shop these and any other press-ons that you want and get my discount, okay? Also, you guys, shout out to TEMU for this. If you guys watched my last vlog, which you should have, okay? Make sure you guys go check that out. It was actually a TEMU nail storage and press-on nail haul, so guys, go check that out. I actually unboxed this as well as the storage bins and some of these press-ons, okay? So shout out to TEMU, and these are the nails that we're going to be doing. Once again, I just think that they are perfect for summer, and I can't wait. And I can't wait to use my drill, which I'll pop up on the screen as well. I got this from TEMU as well, and I can't wait to try this out and use it on my nails, guys. So let's jump into this nail tutorial. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we're just gonna jump into it, okay? So as you guys know, my first step always is to make sure that you guys are starting with clean hands, okay? I just washed my hands and dried them very well. Make sure you guys are drying your hands thoroughly. That will make sure that the glue sticks to your actual nail, okay? So make sure you guys are starting with clean nails and make sure they are extra dry, okay? So then I'm gonna go through and prep my nails. Now, typically I would use my nail file for this. If you watch my last tutorials, then you guys know I typically just use a nail file. So if you don't have a drill, that is okay. You can just use your regular nail file, and you're gonna go through and just prep your nail. That helps the glue to be able to stick to your nail better. So I'm gonna try out this drill. Oh, look at that, guys. So it has different settings. Make sure you guys go shop this, and make sure you guys use my code so you can get it at a discount. I think we can do it on one. Oh yeah, I love this. So again, I'm just going through and just buffing my nail pretty much. And as you guys know, I always use TEMU press-ons, and all my nail supplies typically come from TEMU. They're just very cost effective, and the quality is great, okay? I haven't had any issues. Also, you guys know that they have hassle-free returns. So if you guys get some nails or something that you ordered and you really don't like it, then it's okay. They do hassle-free returns, so they don't really bug you on returning your products, okay? So that's the first hand. I'm gonna go through and do it on the second hand. Also, you guys know TEMU does have free shipping. Oh, this works really good. It's getting the old glue off from my old set as well, which I love. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's the drill, guys. Okay, guys, I need to get me one of those brushes that they have in the nail shop to just brush your nails off after you use your drills and stuff. I'm actually gonna go on TEMU and see if I can find me some of those. So now my nails are perfectly prepped. Also, if you guys have an alcohol wipe, that helps as well. I like to usually wipe my nail just one more time with the alcohol wipe. I don't know, something about the alcohol, and after me buffing the nail, it just really helps my nails to stay. That last set that I did in my last tutorial, it lasted so long, and that was something that I did in that. But we're not gonna do that in this vlog, but it is a great tip. Go one more time and just hit it with some alcohol. I'm telling you, it always helps. Okay, guys, now that my nails are nice and buff, this is the drill. I got the white one. It did come in different colors, so make sure you guys go shop that. Super cost effective. I'll put it on the screen one more time, and it'll also be linked in my description. Everything you see here will be linked in my description, as well as my code will be there as well on the screen, so you guys can get a discount. So I'm gonna get my glue. And this is the set we'll be doing. So now that we are all prepped, washed, ready to go, we're ready to get into step 3, which is actually just applying the glue to the nails. I like to pull my nails off and take them off as I go, because I actually like to let the glue sit on my nail for a little bit before I actually apply it to the nail. Just like with your tracks in your hair, I like it to get just a little bit tacky. So we are gonna apply these and we're gonna see how they look, guys. I'm super excited. I'm just using a regular glue, nothing special. And I'm gonna go and just pop some glue on a couple of these. I'm gonna let the glue just sit for a second. I think it helps to let I don't know what it is, but it just helps it be a little bit more tacky and the nail lasts longer. I can tell I love these already. Like, if I would have paid to get these in a shop, y'all, I would have been paying like $150, $160. Like, the fact that I got these for like under 20 bucks. Now, guys, this actual nail may be sold out by the time this vlog goes up. But if it is, then I will link some that are very similar in quality and in look, okay? And either way, just use that code. You can get anything that you like on there at a discount. Oh, these are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. If y'all not shopping TEMU nails, then I don't know what you're doing. TEMU like has the best press-ons. Like, look at those. Like, even those two are fire. I cannot wait. Like, these are perfect for summer. Perfect summer nails. So I'm actually gonna put some music over this and we're gonna apply these.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
Okay, guys, we are back and the first hand is done, and baby, they are so freaking pretty. I hope you guys can really get into the detail. They are so perfect for summer. I love them. So that is the first hand. Baby, shout out to TEMU. These are fire. I was gonna do these for Memorial Day, but I was like, I'm gonna save these for after Memorial Day. They are so fire. Like, they give me vacation. They give me beach. Like, you guys got to go cop these, okay? Even if you don't see these exact ones, like, I'm going to link some nails that are going to be fire, okay? So I'm going to take these off. And another tip, guys, just so you guys know, is to make sure that you guys don't apply too much glue. Like, don't overdo the glue where it's just pouring out. You really don't need that much. And another thing is make sure you're getting, like, around the corners. Like, make sure you're getting up to the edge and all the way to the top. Sometimes y'all be putting y'all glue right in the middle, and that's why your nail lifts a lot. Okay, so that's just a little tip. Oh, and also when you're applying the nail, make sure you're sliding it under your cuticle just a little bit. You see how that looks like seamless? Sometimes y'all be putting y'all press on like too far up from the cuticle and sometimes on top of the cuticle. And that's a dead giveaway that you got on press-ons. Like, you can tell. You want that transition to be as smooth as possible. So that's the nail. I love that color. That's so pretty. I love this nail. It looks like the inside of a grapefruit. Like, shout out to TEMU. TEMU is the best when it comes to these press-ons, I'm telling you. They just have a really good selection. Like, I have some other ones in my cart because I want to, like, switch my press-ons up, like, every week this summer. And with TEMU's prices, like, it's so easy to do. One thing I am mad at and I would advise you to do is if you find some nails that you really, really like, y'all, like go ahead and order 2 pair because they sell out really, really fast. And you're going to be mad that you did not get that extra pair. I'm telling you, I always am. Like these, I really wish I would have got 2 pair. Simply because like if one breaks or I lose one, I want to back up because I want to be able to wear these for a minute. I want to be able to pop these off and put them back on when I feel like it. I also really, really like the length. Oh, I already glued this one. Did I glue this one, y'all? We're going to add a little bit more just in case because I think I did. But the length and everything. So I just freaking love these. I think I'm going to put this one here. Like, I just really love these nails. Also, guys, the nails that I got are actually a size extra small. And that's another thing I really love about TEMU. Like, they have all the different sizes. They have extra small for girls with really small nail beds like me. And they go all the way up to, like, extra large. So, like, I really, really love that. Also, then you can also go cop you a little drill. And if they're too wide, you can drill them down. They're too long, you can drill them down. That's why I really, 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 really wanted a nail drill. So make sure you guys go shop that nail drill as well. Like these are so pretty, y'all. They are freaking gorgeous. I am so sorry in advance if these are sold out, y'all, but I got a feeling these are gonna sell out really, really fast. I really do. Ooh, I done stuck my whole hand together, y'all. I really love these thumbs too. They just have like the little starfish with the pearl. I think that's so pretty, y'all. Get into my nails. Like, get into those. They are freaking gorgeous, y'all. Like, if we would have went to a shop, y'all, these would have been like $160, $175. Like, easy. They are so fire. Shout out to TEMU. I love those. And you know, I always drop the nail tutorials, guys. So if you are a press-on nail girly and you always need help, like how to do my press-ons, what do? I need some tips, then baby, this is the place to be. Because I always put the girls on, okay? And I always keep it real cost-effective, okay? So yeah, I was actually going to go through and drill like just the tips, but I really don't want to put a drill on that. So now I'm going to take my little buffer and I'm just going to do the edges so they're not super sharp. Because sometimes they do be sharp on the edges and I hate that because I scratch myself in the middle of the night or while I'm doing stuff, I don't want to be scratching myself. So they just made it a little bit rounded. And I actually got this from TEMU too. This came in one of my nails. This came with one of my nails. Another thing I love about TEMU press-on nails is that like all their nails come typically with a filer as well as like a cuticle stick or something like that. I've also used a nail glue from TEMU that was really, really good. I have some in my cart. I think it's like a 10-pack out for like $5. Literally 10 of these for $5, honey. And you can't beat that. So here are the nails. Y'all gotta get into these.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog,
Well, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. If you guys love these tutorials, then make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Shout out to TEMU. Make sure you guys are using that code up on the screen to shop these nails and any other nails that you like on TEMU. Shout out to TEMU. My nails are so cute. Okay. Baby, I did these in 5 minutes flat and they fly. Okay. Shout out to TEMU. Bye, guys.